Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today we are going to continue solving our multiple integrals, where this integration will be done over the region -2, -1. That is the x value times 0, 1. That is the y value. So first of all, we rewrite our integration as integral of 0 to 1, integral of -2 to -1 of x squared y squared plus cos of pi x plus sine of pi y or dx dy. Okay, so with this, I can start my integration with my x aspect. I have -2, -1, x squared, y squared, plus cos of pi x, cos of pi x, plus sine of pi y, that dx, closing dy. Okay, that is good. So let's continue. So this we can straight, or we'll go ahead to integrate directly. And we have a certain x cubed y squared all over 3 plus 1 on pi sine of pi x plus a certain x sine of what? Pi y, or introducing the limits -1, -2 or dy. Good. So with this we can input the values and we'll see when x is equal to -1 we get negative y squared over 3 negative sine of negative pi is going to give us 0. So we continue with our -1. X is negative, so -1 sine of pi y, or that minus, when y is equal to -2. That is -8y squared all over a certain 3. Then we have our sine -2 pi, -2 pi. That is also giving us 0. So we take that one away, minus a certain 2 sine of pi y. Now we continue from 0 to 1 after, so all this dy. So after computation you realize that we get a certain 7y squared all cubed plus a certain sine of pi y, that dy. So I would like to integrate. So from 0 to 1 of 7y squared with respect to y. So I have a certain value like 7 on 9 y exponent 3 minus 1 on pi cos of what? Pi y under the interval over the region 0 and 1. Okay. So now when we know when we input 0 we get 0 to us, so we don't even bother about the 0. So when we have 1, we have our 7 on 9. When you put 1 there you get 1. So minus 1 on pi, minus 1 on pi cos pi y. And our cos pi will end up giving us our -1. So cos pi is giving us -1. So we have negative, that's plus 1 on pi. All this minus the 0 aspect. The 0 aspect, when you put it here, it goes away. But when you have cos 0, you know cos 0 is 1. So 1 times negative 1 on pi is minus 1 on pi. Hence we have our 7 over 9 plus 1 on pi plus another 1 on pi. Hence we get 7 on 9 plus 2 on pi. Hence this is our solution. Thank you.